Hi friends, welcome back to my YT home. I hope everyone is fine and must. So today I am making very healthy breakfast. This recipe requires no elaborate preparations, so don't need to plan ahead either. This is one of my favorite breakfast recipe. It's absolutely tasty. So without wasting any time, let's start it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it and press the bell icon too so the next recipe comes straight to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.